Hello everyone. In today's Monday Health Booster, I will be talking about the role of neurotonics in toddlers. I'm Dr. Shivani Sood, the founder of Shivani Ayurveda, and this video is just for educational purpose. I help implement Ayurveda in the modern lifestyle of today. Now, today we are talking about using neurotonics for toddlers. Toddlers meaning in the age group of 1 to 3. Right. Why are we even talking about it? Because children have their own system of, developing their mind. Why would we even think about giving a support to a newly born child for his nervous system? Basically because that's the understanding in between the ancient society and the modern society. In ancient society we used to have the joint family system, so grandparents were in the house and grandparents were always at a slower pace of their life. They spoke and interacted a lot with the child and spoke about the values of their tradition, family, human beings, stories, everything. I grew up in such a childhood where my grandparents were around, and I can tell you it's really a privilege, especially for the development of the child. But in the modern society today, we are either having nuclear family, and many of the mothers are also single mothers, right? So this situation has completely changed, and plus what has happened in the last 1.5 years with COVID, the children have been really kept indoor. The role of neurotonic in toddlers is really considered important, right? Because children are really being locked down inside their house. So what should you do basically for a good nervous system health for a toddler? First thing, what is really important is human interaction. And besides human interaction, nature interactions is very important. So we are the nature. When the children are playing with sand, when the children are dipping their hands in the water, when the children are basically planting plants and touching trees, their neurological system is naturally being activated to observe. I hope you can hear the chirping of the birds in the nature, because this is also very good for the children to hear. The more the sense organs are engaged with the nature rather than electronic devices like mobile phone, the better it is for the children's neurological growth. And we might not even need a neurological medicine for a toddler, right? So basically, like, this is the first key of a healthy mental system for toddlers. Keep them outside, let them interact with the nature and people, and not alone. The second thing is the nutrition of a toddler. So often I have seen it in the West also during Christmas time. The young toddlers are given a lot of sugar. So sugar is something which is really not good for the nervous system. And because of having so much sugar in the diet in form of burger breads, even pizza, this is very highly refined form of wheat, so it has a lot of sugar. Added sugar to candies and chocolates and rewarding kids with chocolates. And we should really think about how to develop good eating habits for toddlers. This is going to be the foundation of the nervous system. So when you're talking about neurotonics, this basic correction needs to be done in young kids, where they should be introduced to healthy form of eating, especially sugar, and keeping away from the processed food. And that basically also means like how a parent eat, because parents are the role model for the children. You should be basically having a healthy diet and food on your table so that the children are inspired to eat healthy. So natural neurotonic, one thing what you would give to the kid starting from 6 months is ghee. Ghee or clarified butter has potent neuro strengthening properties, and it should be introduced gradually in the child's diet so that the children strengthen their nervous system. So approximately half teaspoon to 1 teaspoon ghee, or even if you're cooking porridge for them or if you're cooking some rice for them, add a little bit ghee instead of butter, and you will see their nervous system growing in a much better way. So that's where the first tip was, engaging with the nature and being in the nature. Second thing is the nutrition and keeping away from sugar, staying away from processed food, and introducing ghee. And what's the third thing? The third thing is just noting if the toddler shows some different symptoms than other kids. Like, for example, you can see sometimes the children are really angry from inside, and they started to show signs of anger, like breaking things and destroying stuff very early in their, you know, very early in age. Or if the child is really, you know, retreating back from all the people and not really wanting to mix up, well, a little shyness is considered normal, but if he really starts to cry, if he has to go outside, or if the child is not sleeping in the night, this is another sign that the nervous system is not going to develop in a good way, because a good sleep is very important initially, because in the first 2 years of your life you basically have the 80% development of the nervous system. Then if you have symptoms like the child has delayed speech or motor responses, that means he's not walking in the right age, or he's not speaking in the right age. So these all conditions then require consultation with a proper qualified medical practitioner, and the fact that you can really help the children with the proper prescription medicine. So do not really waste the time with just picking up one herb or second thing. And if you see any kind of these symptoms in children very young, then you should be basically, you know, starting with prescription Ayurvedic herbs in order to help them in a better way, and that's when you introduce neurotonics. So that's all for this Monday Health Booster, which educated you on how and when to introduce neurotonics to children. And I can tell you that when the children are growing in a very calm and relaxed manner and have a great nervous system, they'll be able to tolerate all kind of stress, and this is a great promising future. So take care of your kids, love them, hug them, and make sure their nervous system develops properly. Thank you and bye-bye.